Hi friends, today we are having a look of a tiny house on the wheel. The size is 8 meters long and 2.2 meters in wide, and the interior height is about 3 meters. This is for 4 hollowed trainers to work around USA as a movable accommodation. It's removable, so can be put in anywhere. It has a separated shower room and a toilet to maximum the use of bathroom without the bathroom panic. It's multifunctional, customized with both off-grid and on-grid electricity system and water system. Magic House is a Chinese prefab house manufacturer with more than 10 years experiences, specialized in customized prefab space. The house is made by manufacturer Magic House. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. If you want to customize one, I put the sales contact information and the shop link in the description box below. Or you can join our weekly live session to know us better. Thanks for watching.